In this video, you will learn how to use Malscope, the smart antivirus tool built on a neural network. Download the app from our website now by following the link in the description. Once installed, open Malscope and enter your license key on the console to activate the software. This is automatically sent to your email after you purchase the app. Malscope Antivirus is easy to use, and its simple layout allows quick access to powerful malware detection features. To scan any file for malicious traits, click the Scan File Now button. Select a file to scan, and Malscope will compare its data profile to thousands of malware sample traits as well as their signatures to look for similarities. If the app determines that the selected file is likely to introduce threats to your system, it will prompt you to remove it. Click Yes, and Malscope will erase the selected file's data before permanently deleting it. Malscope will automatically adjust its detection sensitivities based on files you choose to delete. In other words, after deleting a suspicious file, Malscope is more likely to flag similar files in the future. To swiftly scan through your whole computer for potential malware, click the Scan System button. This will enable a full scan prioritizing file types most likely to introduce threats to your system. Potential malware file names are logged and displayed at the end of the scan. Malscope also uses a quarantine feature, which allows you to analyze and adjust detection sensitivities on file data profiles it has previously failed to flag. If you suspect that a selected file might be dangerous despite not being flagged as such, you can move it to quarantine by clicking the button after Add File to Quarantine. This will adjust Malscope's sensitivities accordingly, but will not entirely isolate the file from your system. Please take necessary precautions when handling potential malware and remove suspected threats in quarantine by clicking Open Malware Quarantine and deleting the files there. You can also move files from quarantine back to your main system by clicking the button after Move File from Quarantine. Moved files will appear in your downloads, and Malscope will reverse any detection sensitivities associated with those files, making similar data profiles less likely to be flagged as malware in the future. This is how Malscope's features also lightweight and entirely non-intrusive, meaning you won't be bothered by significant drops in performance or annoying startup notifications displayed by other antivirus apps. Buy Malscope today by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to be notified of important updates.